to learn how to use the drop down. In the sense, we are having section and data list. So which one is the better, we need to see, and what are the use cases of this one. And apart from this one, we are going to study what are the uh, drop down and how it works, and text area, how what is the uses of text area tag and progress. So we will see one by one. So in the last video we have learned how to use the logo and other things that I will provide the notes also later in this next video. So we will study currently how to use this one. So I will add on h1 tag, in the sense select your vehicle. So I have added just a heading tag so that it can be easy. So first we need to write select, select. Okay, select. So it will provide ID and name. So we will see that later. But currently we will use the option. So first option should be empty. I will tell you why that, why need to leave that empty. In the second option, whatever we are going to provide, suppose I am having a car. So I can write a car, and inside this one we need to write the car. But value currently, if you don't give, then also it's fine. So for practice purpose, what how it works? First we need to think that one. As a beginner, you should know how these things will work. Then option three, here we are having one bike. Okay. Then option four, you are having something else like uh truck. So something you are having one vehicle. We need to select that this is the vehicle. Okay, then we will go to our live reload. Then we will reload here. Select your vehicle. So what I will do, I will take car, bike or truck, something here. So I have selected. So why we have kept this one empty, first one? So by default, suppose if you haven't, it will always trigger to the first one. So for that one, I was telling to keep it as empty. Suppose it was car was here. If you haven't selected anything, one of this one, then automatically it will select as this first option. So for that, you should always leave that first option empty. Then apart from this one, we will see the next use case. So we are having select option, and we have seen this one. Then inside the form, we are having another one that is known as data list. So how this data list will work? So I will write as a label, select the vehicle. Next, input uh, type is to text is there now. Remove this type is to text. Instead of this one, add list is to vehicle. Okay, then here instead of this one, data list. Okay, inside this one, like that only you need to provide. And here one thing is, you need to provide an id is to this, whatever you have written as a list now, this you need to copy and paste here, or else you can directly write. And I will directly copy this entire thing and paste here. And one thing is, it doesn't have, it should not have the closing tag. In the cells, you can make it as a self tag. So by this one, and whatever the contents you have written, remove this one. Directly it should be inside this one. So I will remove this one, closing tag and the content, because automatically it will collect as a value from there. So I have written this one, and then I will format this also. So format with prettier. So prettier is one of the extension, you can download it from here. So you can add prettier. So prettier is the this one. So you can download it directly here. Then we will save, go to the live reload. Then here we are having one of the thing. So here we can select the car or something else. Then we can submit directly. So here also we have kept, we can keep it as a empty, or else it will be considered as a text. So I have kept as a empty, but still it is taking. So why does this happen means, it will always neglect the first option inside the form. So data list is one of the thing, it is used inside the form action. So if you use outside that, it will not work. So I will copy paste this one and I will check. So it is not displaying any of these things. So that means it will work only inside the form tag. So both are having the different use cases, select and data list. Then we will come to next, progress. So progress is to, so there is a one tag, and if you do like this, automatically it will give the suggestion. Then what we need to do means, suppose we have seen many of the things, like how you can say means, so value is to 30. Sometimes while reducing the volume, you will see the bar and max is to 100. Okay, like this you need to add, and then if you go to this one, so you can see a little bit, one of the blue color has been came. So I will add one of the BR tag so that it will be clear. So here you can see this one. This one is the showing as a progress bar. So you can make it as change means, you can add the styling and make it as change, and not only 30, you can make 80%, then it will be automatically understand how much you have given, so it will came as 80. So like this progress bar is given, and if you want to, you can make it as dynamic. Suppose while filling the resume, it will show that you have filled this much, so you can enter another stars, some of the data, like in some of the apps like Naukri and some LinkedIn, they will show a pop-up like progress, how much progress you have done already, and how much things you need to add. By that it will get the scores. So this is the what it will happen. Then up, then next, we are having something else where I add another BI text so that it will be properly everything made, or else it will be jumbled. So then next we are having one button. So that's how it works button. So basically, currently it, I will say that it is a dummy button, so it will not have any functionality. So after when we will reach to JavaScript, then we will show how this will work. So button, inside the button, what we will say, submit button or something, uh, add, or click, whatever you want, you can write inside this one, and you can make it as a button, and we can make it as more stylish when after adding the CSS. So basically this is the button, and this is the progress bar, and this is the data list inside. It is used instead the form, and this is the select option. It is used globally, you can use anywhere. Right, like selecting the location while ordering the Zomato, you will see that search icon, where location you want to place, like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, or something big cities. So it will automatically suggest you all the places. So this is the what we are learnt in this video. So we to learn how to use the text area. So text area is one of the things where generally you will see inside the any comment box or any feedback section, or else in the contact form. So what are the description you can add? By that we can see. So text area. So it will automatically to suggest you. So inside this one, name and ID, leave it currently, and forget about the styling. So when we will make the project, we will see how to make this one also, and we will go back to the Chrome and see here. So here we can see this one, a text area. In this text area, you can add something like this. Hello, this is a video from BitByBit-Code. BitByBit-Code. So you can drag this one and make it is little bit more larger, or else you can make by default it is like this much only. So you can make this much as little bit more bigger by using the providing the height and width. So by this you can add lot of content and submit when user form is there, or else any feedback section is there. So whatever you are going to write the content, it will be going to store inside the database. So we will go to that also after when we were going to reaching to the JavaScript. So we, so learn the basic things as a beginner. Then we will go step how to use the select option and data list, progress and button. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel.